Welcome to Beaded Doilies by Shell. In this video we are doing the last row for the cross weave. I am using my pattern Smiley for this project. Here is our piece as of the end of row 12. Now for the last row, most of the time your beads will either be all the same or the two end colors will be the same. However, if you ever come across one that has the first and last color different, then I will have to show you the piece to let you know which string to use, because I currently don't know another way to do that. I did have an idea, but it didn't work. So if your colors are all the same, or if the first two colors are the same and the middle is different, you can use either string to add your beads. Doesn't matter which one. Here I have the information for when beginning a decreasing row, just to give you an illustration. So we will take the string here. I'm going to take the one that's coming towards the top of my piece, and I am going to add all three colors to it. And then we'll let all three drop. And at this point, we are going to tie our knot. Now, the knot that I like is a regular knot, bring it down, followed by what's called a double overhand. You go over twice, bring it down, but don't pull tight. And then you slip that into your last bead. Actually, what I like better is to slip it into this bead here that is the bead on your previous row, the side bead of your previous row, because that sets you up for securing your string. And you want to slip your knot inside that bead. Can be a little difficult sometimes. And once it's inside the bead, then you pull tight. And there you have your knot inside that middle bead of your previous row. And then I like to thread through at least 2 sets of beads. So that's going through a bead on each side. And then crossing a bead. And that's one set, and then we'll go through a bead on each side, and cross a bead, and that's 2 sets. Once you've done that, you can clip off your string. I do that just so my string is not right next to where the knot is, less chance of it working itself loose. And there we have completed Smiley. I hope that you have enjoyed creating him. And remember, when you come to the last row, most of the time you can add it with either string. If you need to know which string to add it with, I will put the last set in its own video, and I will show you the piece and show you which string to add it with to make sure that you are able to add it correctly. I hope that you have enjoyed this, and I hope you'll be back for more.